Streamline operations and revolutionize the way orders are processed with TouchKitchen, the digital display order management software from ICRTouch. TouchKitchen collates orders from every aspect of your business, whether they're taken at touchpoint tills, self-service kiosks, pocket touch tablets, or via touch takeaway and biteable apps. Order tickets are instantly and clearly displayed on the digital solution within the kitchen. Give your chefs control to customize the TouchKitchen layout, changing colors and categorizing priority orders, pegging tickets between courses, recalling previously completed orders, and even setting preparation timers to ensure every meal makes it out of the kitchen on time. TouchKitchen works intelligently for hospitality businesses with multiple preparation stations. Configure numerous screens to display specific products, ideal for splitting orders to send drink products to the bar and food products to the kitchen. Further streamline the operation by linking TouchKitchen with customer-facing collection point order status displays. This automatically informs customers when their order has completed preparation. You'll be speeding up service with intuitive displays and quick-action bump bar integration. You'll be reducing mistakes by replacing handwritten tickets with a zero-confusion solution. And you'll be improving your guest experience, keeping customers happy with the right food at the right time. Find your local authorized ICRTouch partner today and revolutionize your order management with TouchKitchen.